This Karen picked the wrong biker to mess with, and what happens next is exactly why you should never start a fight you can't finish. But before you get into that, this Karen thought cutting off a biker was a good idea, but she was about to find out why it wasn't.
What happened? I don't understand what happened. What was that about?
I said you was going slow.
You gotta cut me off like that? I got you on camera. Or you gonna beat me with a plastic bat? You gonna beat me with a whipple bat? You gonna smack me with a whipple bat? Listen, you could've killed me. You could've killed me. And you ain't even going you know further than I am. You know further than I am.
What? You gonna keep following me? And you gonna keep following me?
What's your problem?
I will beat the out of you. Do not play with me. We talk back there. You don't gotta keep following me.
You almost knocked me off my butt.
I don't care. I will knock this camera off your head. Stop playing with me.
Go ahead. That's why your car's all f***ed up, because you don't know how to drive.
The biker was able to handle his anger, but sometimes things can escalate extremely quickly.
Bro, why? Can I ask you why you're trying to kill us?
Like you drive like an a**.
No, you literally tried to swerve into him and he's got a girl on the back. You dumb mother. That's attempted murder. What did we do that you're upset about, bro? Honestly.
You're driving like oh,
I didn't try to kill you, did I? Come on, you want to get out of your car? Why you stop, bro?
The driver ran away, and there was no consequences. But there are times where cops can be in the right place at the right time.
What are you doing? I'm right here. Learn to fucking merge, you dickhead. It goes right, left, right. Is that fucking hard to understand? 6, 4, H, M, 6, 9. You're on camera, bitch. She tried to run me out of my lane at the merge. I have it on video. Up behind me. Yep. Front one. I have it on video. I can get it on my phone if we pull into a parking lot. Okay. Yep.
The Karen got his license taken away, just like this one who decided to cut off the biker but got a little surprise. There are times where bikers encounter Karens who are angry for no reason at all, trying to punch the biker, and even having the cops called.
What's your problem?
Sorry, mate?
What's your problem? Got a problem, have you? With me?
No, I don't.
Why give me the fucking finger? Why come around me being stupid? Well, you got a fucking problem. Sort it out now.
Well, I'm about to be run over by some arsehole in the car.
I don't give a fuck. Sort it out now.
Look, you're able to fucking leave me alone, mate.
Well, why give me the finger? I'm fucking coming
Hey,
around
you
me
tell
stupid.
Roachy here to fuck off.
That's my son you're talking about.
One more time, cunt. I fucking mean it.
Hey.
I will give it to you, cunt. Because I'm fucking sick of it, right?
Okay.
Drive past me, because you've given me the fucking
No,
finger
I
too.
didn't mean that, though.
Bull fucking shit.
What about me down there on Tottenham Road?
I've done nothing for you.
What? This ain't nothing. Coming around me stupid ain't nothing. Huh?
Call cops now.
Not every biker story ends in chaos. Sometimes you get a moment like this, because what happens next is the reason this clip went viral.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh my god, that's crazy. Oh, shit. No, I seen you. Yeah, I'm good, man.
Oh, man.
Thank you, brother.
Man, I was scared you were dead.
Yeah, I thought.
On the brakes so goddamn hard, I was like, oh, fuck, that motherfucker that hit me.
I was driving reckless too, so it ain't all his fault. Yeah, it's all good.
Unfortunately, not everyone is humble like this one on the road, because here, the biker had to step in, even having to pull a gun on an aggressor.
Hey! Get your hands off of her! Get the away from me! Get the away from me! I have my daughter! You get the away from me! Get in the car! Go. Get her out of here. Right now.
I love you, Dad.
I love you, bub.
Fortunately, everything ended well, but the craziest one we saved for last. This Karen had no business being on the road, so the biker decided to teach her a lesson she'd never forget.
What the fuck? What are you doing, bitch? Did you just brake check me?
Over, buddy.
Why did you do this?
Right on my ass.
How was I riding on your ass? I wasn't riding. I got a fucking camera on my face, you old hag. You got like 20 years to live at best.
Good.
You want to spend it being a fucking
I got your
cunt?
license plate.
Take a fucking picture. Feel free, man.
Drive on somebody's
I am not driving on your fucking ass.
bullshit.
Fuck you. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, bitch. Go. Fucking bitch.
If you thought that was bad, this video is 10 times worse. Click it now.